Good morning. Now, so we have discussed the patient in toto for from start to finish up to the health promotions, no? In naka-practical way, ha? Okay. So let's have a kung wala ng tanong, can I have some feedback from you? What did you learn today? How do you feel about the sessions? Valerie, mauna ka, nasa ilalim ka eh. Oh,
Uh,
Valerie.
it's very informative po, sir. Very different from how we usually um very different approach on how we do case analysis po. And I really appreciate it because it's parang direct to the point. Yun po, sir.
Yeah. It should be, di ba? Should be direct to the point, no? And then direct to the point and then just try to be a minimalist. Okay? Wag ritualistic. That's the worst thing that can happen. No? Okay. And then explain everything to the patient. No? Okay. Okay. Sino pa? Karen, uh, here's on.
Sir, good afternoon. Sir, for this session po, it highlights po yung importance yung diagnostic evaluation sa breast masses po, particularly yung importance din ng imaging din po. And specifically, we are provided po the uh, available laboratories din sa ating patients po. So, it's up to us po if how are we going to manage the patient po and tawag po ito, it also highlights din po yung early tissue diagnosis din po, how important it is po for us to decide po the management sa patient.
Okay. Thank you. Yes, Bernard. Emil.
Hi, sir. We were talking about this earlier nga po kanina, sir. And I mentioned to my co-interns po na I wish I had this lecture back before stepping into clerkship because parang it clarified how we deal with patients. And interestingly, there's a system. Hindi siya yung parang shotgun lang po, sir. So, I think early on, it should have been clarified how we go about with taking history and then arriving at a diagnosis systematically. And from the how do we go about it? Do we need to further request paraclinical diagnosis? And of course, choosing the treatment modality. So I guess the lecture would really benefit those who are stepping into clerkship po, sir.
Okay.
Early on.
Okay. Thank you. I just try to teach you whatever I have to teach, no? Bahala na kayo, ha? Okay. Okay, sino susunod? Mina?
Hi, sir. Actually, I agree with Emil po. I wish this was something, at least the framework, I wish it was explained to us before LU5, since here in LU5, we already step into the hospital. I also like how systematic it is, but also straight to the point in surgery. Particularly, I like the paraclinical diagnostic process po, the BRCA table. You're right, sir. I think when we see it in the OPD or in the ER in the wards, many times it's actually not explained in detail to the patient. Maybe they're given an option and they think that it's their only option. So I think from this lesson, what I'd like to practice in the future is really lay it out to them, the benefits, risk, cost, and the availability or accessibility also to the patient po.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Who's next? Ben?
Yes, sir. What I appreciate from this session too, sir, was like the systematic approach on analyzing the case of this patient. And then kasi nga po, we were very used to the history, family history and others. Like that traditional approach of presentation po, sir. So I really appreciate the like parang new but systematic approach presentation, as well as considering the socioeconomic factors po, as what Nina mentioned po earlier, for the benefit cost risk and um, for the paraclinical diagnostics, sir, which is like the reality of the healthcare po dito sa Philippines, na we cannot, sometimes na we have to weigh the benefit, especially the cost for our patients po, sir. So which would, as doctors, which would help us adjust to our with our management, or like how would we manage the case of the patient.
Okay, thank you. Sinong last? Si Natasha.
I learned about the prioritization of the differentials po. Like as mentioned earlier, I should have considered breast CA over fibroadenoma. And then also as mentioned by my group mates and co-interns, yung pagiging systematic ng everything and the and the cost efficiency of the treatment and also of the management, sir. And also based on what we've learned with the reading and watching the video, that we have to like accommodate the objectives ng treatment, and also ng everything should be aligned with the what do you call that, expectations or ng patient, kung ano mang maging parang result ng treatment. So yun lang.
Okay, thank you. Okay. So I hope you have learned something, if not a lot from me. Okay. So let's have a group picture taking before we adjourn. Ready na? Sino kukuha? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So it's 12:16. We overshoot by 16 minutes. Okay lang. So we hope to see each other again in the wards na lang in the future. You still have 9 months to go bago kayo mag-board. Sige. Okay. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much,
you,
Thank you po,
sir.
sir.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.